Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. Mama P's here again today.
Alright, so what you making?
Oh well, today I'll be making a pineapple upside down cake.
Nice, nice. Alright, tell me, what's the ingredients?
Okay, well here I have 2 cups of flour. I have some lemon zest. I have salt, nutmeg, vanilla, maraschino cherries, baking powder, granulated sugar, brown sugar. I have my butter. I have some of the pineapple juice, half a cup of milk, and 3 eggs. And over here I have another stick of butter that I'm gonna use. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in, melt my butter.
It just takes a few minutes, so just give it a couple of minutes and then it's gonna start melting.
I'm gonna put in my dry ingredients. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my baking powder and my nutmeg. Just a little nutmeg, not too much. And my salt. Alright, so that's about it for the dry ingredient. Let's mix that in. So let me leave that there for now. Alright, so now my glaze is melted. Alright, and I already buttered my can, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. So here I'm going to lay my pineapples in my glaze, nice and fat, and my hands are clean. I washed them. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my cherries. And these are maraschino cherries. Take out the stem.
Yeah, see guys, she said you always have to take off the stem.
Alright, that looks so pretty right there. So let that sit there until I make my batter. So, let me go ahead with my butter and my sugar. I'm gonna go in with 1. Then I'm gonna beat that for a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my second head. I'm gonna go in with third head. Alright, let me put my lemon zest in, and this is because of the head. I'm gonna put that in there. So now I'm gonna start going with my flour. Blend lot at a time. And you push it down like so.
Yeah, so we could get everything.
Then combine it together. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the next batch of flour. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of my vanilla. Then I'm gonna go in with my milk. Alright, and last but not least, my pineapple juice. Don't forget this. It gives the cake that pineapple taste.
Alright, so now that she's finished, now she's just using the spatula just to...
Alright, so I'm gonna pour the batter in. Alright, so my batter is ready, and I'm gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes and 350. 40 minutes are up, so I'm gonna test it now to see if it's baked. Alright, it's thick, it's dry also, so I know it's baked. And I'm gonna leave it up here on top of the stove. I'm gonna leave it for about 15 minutes to cool down, and then I'll come and flip it and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, there you have it, pineapple upside down cake. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another one. God bless and thank you. Now for the moment of truth.
I'm gonna taste this. Yes, this is really good. It's not so sweet. It's just a perfect texture, and the cake is dense. It's a perfect flavor. And then let me try it with the pineapple. Yes, this is really good. Perfect texture, perfect cake. This would be a really nice cake that you'll be able to use for your family and everything.